Fellas, I'm Jay Hurt, relationship coach. Welcome to my channel, The Confident Charismatic, where we talk about charisma, confidence, and winning at life. One of the hardest things to accept is when you've talked to a woman, you're attracted to her, and definitely interested, but she's just not feeling you. She's not necessarily friend-zoning you, but she's not dating you either. It's essentially like she's telling you she's not feeling you, but she's not trying to hurt your feelings at the same time. You still interact with her periodically, so it's harder to accept than maybe if you didn't see her so often. How do you deal with this? Do you give up? What can you do to change someone's mind that isn't really looking for you to change their mind? We're going to talk about that today. How do you really make a woman change her mind about you? You have questions, we have answers. My man Drew, you know what we do right here. Let's get it. Okay, so you're digging this woman, but she's lukewarm to you at best. She knows you exist, but she really isn't warm to you. She's not mean, but she's not flirty either. She's kind of indifferent toward you. This isn't easy, but if you stick with me, you can influence her to change her mind. Let's walk through the steps. Step 1, pay attention. You must pay attention to the woman in a non-stalkerish way, right? Non-stalkerish being the key word here. You're not looking for anything in particular, you're looking for details. What kind of style does she have? What style does she like on a man? What are her interests? What kind of music does she like? Here's a big one, y'all. What kind of humor makes her laugh? Dry humor? Think Jerry Seinfeld. Goofy humor? Think Martin or Will Smith, maybe Will before the slap. Or intellectual humor? Think Dave Chappelle. You want to use humor with her eventually that's not offensive, but also natural to your personality. Learning this will help you in your pursuit. Okay, so you got that one right. I have another big one for you. Joy. What brings her joy? Not necessarily what makes her happy. Any unexpected bonus check from work can make her happy. As a matter of fact, an expected bonus check, for that matter, can make her happy. What does she really enjoy with passion? Is it something athletic? Is it going to the beach? How about visiting every waterfall in the state? Could it be simply spending time with friends? You want to find out what brings her joy, because ultimately, when that day comes, you want to be associated with the joy she receives. Learn her love language. This one can be difficult if you aren't able to be in her sphere of influence. You may need an accomplice, a friend, to help you with this one. Learning her love language means you will learn how she experiences love. If you bring her flowers and candy and she's a words of affirmation girl and allergic to chocolate, man, you messed up all of your hard work. You need to know beyond the shadow of a doubt if her love language is either physical touch, quality time, acts of service, words of affirmation, or receiving gifts. Store this information in safekeeping. When the time comes, you want to serve her top 2 love languages when appropriate. I'm going to touch on that later. I should offer a footnote here. Women can sense fakeness or a bribe a mile away. Don't try to offer her things to make her feel like you're taking care of her. This is not a quid pro quo situation. I want you to learn her love languages so when it's time, you're able to show her how much you care about her, not that you want to manipulate her into seeing you by buying her affection. Here's a curveball. Learn your love language. Yep, you guessed it. You need to be aware of your personal love language. And here's why. Typically, we show love in how we receive love. If you're a quality time guy and she's a words of affirmation girl, it's easy for you to quickly fall into the trap of, I'm around, so that's enough, right? Negative, Ghost Rider. If you actually get her to change her mind and give you a chance, guess what? She's going to change her mind right back and give you no chance. Learn your love languages. Now fight the urge to serve her in the way that you prefer to be served, again, when that time comes. We're in the home stretch, fam. While we have a moment, gently tap the like button. Don't hit it too hard. Share with your fellas who are trying to get a girl to change her mind about them. Talk to me in the comments about your confidence in changing a woman's mind about you. I want to hear what y'all have to say. Guess what, fam? It's time for a makeover. Not a physical makeover necessarily, unless that's part of what is necessary in this situation, but what one might call a renovation. Now that you've learned about this woman and you know what makes her happy, and on a deeper level, you know what brings her joy, are you ready to commit to the work it takes to design these things into your personality? You see, we're all down for the beautiful woman if we don't have to make any changes. But I'm sorry, it's not happening in this situation. Remember, my 3 qualities of the foundation of every relationship are attraction, chemistry, and compatibility. Real talk, you need all 3. If you only have 2, you can make it, but you need those 2 in spades. You're going to have to develop the qualities she's looking for. Serve her love language. Find ways to bring her joy, make her laugh, rock the style that she likes, but you're still not in yet, my man. Not quite yet. One more thing. Be present, but don't chase. Okay, fam, you made the commitment. You did the makeover. You, sir, are a beast. You're down to make her change her mind. Not only to give you a chance, but to make her your woman. If you made it to this point, do me a favor. Come back and share in the comments how you made these changes. I want to commend your commitment and making a decision to go after what you want. So the last thing I want to share is a bit counterintuitive, but it's the most important point by far. You can be present in her life as you already happen to be, but do not chase her. Don't do everything for her. Do not offer to serve her love language, whatever that might be. You didn't do this work to sell yourself. You did this work to be the best version of who you are. She can and she will see the change. But remember, you're not a used car, bruh. You're a full-blooded Lamborghini. No commercials necessary, no discounts. Everyone who wants a Lambo knows how to find one. No sales tactics necessary, no pressure. She sees you and she can sniff the change in you before you even know you made the change yourself. Now it's up to her to get in position, which she will. But why am I so confident? As you made these changes, you inherently became more confident, more charismatic, more full of life and vigor. And you know what? Other women will notice. It will resonate off of you like a sunrise off of the ocean. They will notice. When they notice, if she hasn't already noticed, which by the way, bruh, she has, but her ego might be in the way, she will then push her ego aside and wonder what is all of a sudden so amazing about you that these other women are interested. And she's fighting the urge to ask you out. Can I tell y'all the crazy thing about many scenarios that are around trying to get the woman that you want to change her mind? Some of us do all of the work and fully make the change, and then we realize we never really wanted her like that in the first place. We wanted what we thought she stood for. She was banging, she carried herself well, hung out with the in crowd. When we shift our personality a bit, we see that women are interested in us as much as we are in them, and it will open doors and opportunities that often make you realize you're actually cool, even if she decided not to change her mind about you after all. Fam, we're changing the narrative out here, fellas. We're taking control of our lives. We're learning how to confidently interact with amazing women and creating the best versions of ourselves. I love it. Check it out. You see me every Tuesday and Friday. Check out my merch in the bio. And when you want to get a girl to change her mind about you and she does it, brush a little dirt off your shoulder, bruh. It's pretty evident that charisma has indeed become your superpower.